Hagajimpan kret na kabenta ke election Garo Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kaban salong no shan nakaliang ke State Election Committee jogan National People's Party NPP haga khanre trik urumpang araja apun riu kala Pynbna ya kathup kerteng badingkong jongki Kyrtong kibanya aireng hakani ke election. Habakran sigilat pathai kubor nakaliang Marquis and Marak Working President ke NPP ulaong baka parti kan penyakun na baro arpo kundai tli constituency bat yamanta ki Kyrtong kidan kumba arpo saw ngot ie bat yaki basa kata na santli ki constituency an sa Pynbna no shan. Nalor kata ulaong na ki bala Pynbna Kyrtong prangot ki deki MDC ki badang hakasuki hakaba ula pensngoru banakaliang ka parti ka Khlem la pan ai tiket show albinos armarak u CEM Bynta u MDC na Siju constituency na marki daw ki bamla kyar.
This is specially regarding the GHADC elections to be held early part of this year. From the NPP party, today the State Committee has approved the first list of candidates that have been sent from the regional committee, which has been thoroughly examined based on the winnability, loyalty, integrity, and past political experiences. And from different sources, we have taken the report, and based on that, the regional committee has decided and recommended to the State Committee. And today, the State Committee, under the leadership of Sir Preston Song, who is also the State President of NPP Meghalaya State Unit, has approved the list of candidates sent by the Regional Committee. So therefore, I will name out the name of the candidates against their constituency number. So I'll name out from number one, that is accordingly, they are number one. Number one, Siju constituency. After thorough discussions and different rounds of meetings, we have come to the conclusion to consider the candidature of Sri Khalis G. Momen. Two, Wagesuk, same for this constituency also. We have decided to fill Sri Jebul S. Marak as NPP candidate. Fifth, Gaswapara, Sri Sengchem N. Sangma. 6. Barengapara, Sri Kapilson A. Sangma. 7. Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma. 8. Amongpara, Sri Balsrang Areng. 9. Tura, Sri Charming Star N. Sangma. 10. Dengnakpara, Sri Kreditson C.H. Marak. 12. Nogorpara, Sri Lainekar K. Sangma. 13. Jigjak, Sri Sanjay A. Sangma. 14. Beta Singh, Sri Sanjay Koch. 15. Rochonpara, Sri Arbinston B. Marak. 16. Asanang, Sri Anseng A. Sangma. 17. Balachanda, Sri Andres C.H. Marak. 18. Batabari, Sri Maxwell M. Sangma. 19. Shyamnagar, Sri Peter Job A. Sangma. 22. Jenjal, Sri Graham Bell A. Sangma. 23. Rongrong, Sri Sunny Rogers G. Momen. 24. Bolsong, Sri Pongseng R. Marak. 25. Damas, Sri Doli K. Sangma. 26. Kharputa, Sri Modi M. Sangma. 27. Samandagri, Sri Nihim D. Shira. 28. Darugri, Sri Henen R. Sangma. 29. William Nagar, Sri Singbat R. Marak. So these are the candidates in the first list. 24 number of candidate has been finalized. Rest, only 5 constituencies are left, which will be decided very soon and will be declared accordingly. So these are the ones. Yes, there are 29 constituencies. Will be contesting from all the 29 constituencies. Well, sitting MDCs are like sitting Sengchem, who is also the MLA of Chokpot constituency. He is also the sitting MDC. And Babelapara, Sri Rakesh A. Sangma is a sitting MDC. And Nogorpara, Sri Lainikar K. Sangma is a sitting MDC. Beta Singh Sri Sanjay Koch is also the sitting MDC. Rochonpara, Sri Arbiston B. Marak, who is also MLA of Silsila constituency, is also the sitting MDC there. And Janjal, Grahambel A. Sangma is also sitting MDC. Then Darugri, Sri Henan R. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Ansing A. Sangma is also a sitting MDC. Yes, on the ground, our party is on the job. Our party leaders are already started campaigning in a small way, village to village. All the campaign have already started. And this particular candidates whom we have declared today, they're also already on the field right from November, December. And before that also, some of them are sitting. So preparation is already there. Total, I have not counted. There are lots of candidates applied for NPP ticket. In some of the constituencies, around seven is the largest number of candidates who have applied for the party tickets in different constituencies. Minimum is 2-3. So it was very difficult on our part also to reject anybody from the list. So that is why we have taken so much of time. We have been meeting the candidates one-on-one. This has been done by National President himself, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma, who is also National President, and also our senior leaders and myself. We have been meeting all these applicants, those candidates who are seeking party ticket. So we have been meeting them, we have been consulting them so that we get their support, we get their cooperation also in the forthcoming elections. I wanted to inform you, we have denied ticket to the sitting CEM who was representing Siju constituencies. It was with great difficulty we have come to this decision because question of winnability is also there. So therefore we have denied him the ticket, but we are requesting his cooperation with party's decision. There are 5 constituencies which is pending for finalization of the candidates. Those are Raksamgri, Nagwapara, Boldamgri, Silkhigri, Rongrakhamgri. These 5 constituencies are the one which will be decided in the last phase of the election committee meeting.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.